Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Oxy and I help entrepreneurs grow and get more clients using social media. If you watched my previous video, you know that I started my Telegram channel about social media, where I'm going to share useful information, the latest news, updates, tips, tricks, different templates, and this everything for free, so you're welcome to join. There is a link in the description below, so I will see you there. And in today's video, I want to talk about how to shoot videos for TikTok. So let's start with your device. Today you don't need to have DSLR camera to create content for social media. Our phone cameras are pretty good today. You can shoot videos in 4K, you can create slow-mo, you can do time-lapse, so you can do pretty much everything just using your phone, and the quality will be really good. The next thing, which is really important, is good lighting. Guys, the light should be towards your face, not behind you. Otherwise, your face will be dark and the quality of the video will be really bad. For instance, if you're shooting in a dark room, you can use a ring light. That's exactly what I'm using right now. If you want to buy it, just Google. I'm sure there are plenty of shops that sell them. And if you don't know how to position the lighting, go to YouTube. Watch a couple of videos and you will figure it out. How to edit your videos? You can edit them in TikTok, in the app itself. There are quite a lot of options, but if you want to make your video really stand out, make it really fantastic, attractive, you can use additional mobile applications such as InShot or VideoLip, because it helps you to add different special effects, transitions, animations, etc. If you're going to use InShot, I advise you to get a pro version. It's not really expensive, but it has so many additional elements, transitions, and cool effects that you can use in your videos, and they will look fantastic. Then you need to add music to your videos. How you can do that? If your video is around 15 seconds or shorter, you can do it inside the TikTok application. But if your video is longer than 15 seconds, then you need to add music in some external applications like InShot, for instance, because TikTok allows you to add only a 15-second clip. Next, guys, it's important to plan ahead your scenario and think about where you're going to shoot, what you're going to shoot, what you're going to say. And usually during the process you come up with additional fun and creative ideas, so you can keep them as well. So there are 3 stages. You create a scenario, you shoot your content, and then you edit your content. And if you do it in a proper way, as a result, you will get a good quality video. Don't be afraid to copy other videos, but add your personal touch to it. Challenges are very popular on TikTok. It's when someone creates a video and other people copy it, but in their own personal way. So how you can find those trending challenges? Go to the application, then you need to go to the Discover section and you will see the trending hashtags. Usually you will find some challenges there. When you click on the hashtag, you will see what you need to do in order to participate in that movement. You create a video, you publish it using the hashtag, and just wait. Maybe you'll be lucky and your video will get noticed. So guys, just keep browsing new ideas, see what other people are doing, try to come up with some creative videos, and I'm sure you will get exposure and people will notice you. And if you want me to talk about some specific social media topics on my channel, leave your ideas in the comments below. I will be happy to create videos for you. And if you have any questions, also don't hesitate to ask me in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button. It's very important for me. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.